Hi, this is Mo St. Ange from SPS Spindle, and today I want to talk about some of the common causes of failures and how you can prevent them. So in this short little video, we're going to talk about drawbar force and drawbar retention. So many of the drawbars are always overlooked. Some customers do not check that, but they should be checked on a periodic basis. What happens is this style has a bevel style washers on it, which look like this. They're basically disc springs, and they're made out of steel. This style has a coil spring. Both need to be checked on a regular basis. Poor drawbar force does damage your taper of your spindle, causes premature wear, bell mouthing, can cause chatter on your part, and it does make the spindle much more costly to repair because the taper has to be plate ground to be brought back to gauge point. So some of the tools that are good to use to check for drawbar are drawbar dynamometers. So here's one sample of a drawbar dynamometer that we use here in our shop. It's made by Command. And the second one we have here is a Force Check brand, Power Check, and this one works just as well. They both work very good, and there are 6 or 7 other manufacturers out there that all work good. Common denominator is you should just check that, maintain it to save yourself costly downtime. If you'd like more information about common causes of failure and how SPS can help you with those, please reach out to us on our website at www.spsspindle.com.